Match the letters with pictures. So let's start. A is for aeroplane. B is for bed. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for fish. G is for goat. H is for hen. I is for ice cream. J is for jug. K is for kite. L is for line. M is for monkey. N is for nose. O is for orange. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for rose. S is for snail. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watch. X is for xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.